So these are my top ground sweet potatoes, and they'll do really great like this. They'll bloom. Even had a little pumpkin here, but look, just fell off. Didn't take. I don't know if it's too late in the year, but this is what's happening. It's starting to die back here. Puts out new shoots in different places and stuff like that. But you can see it went back off. This one plant does like the Cherokee tans all over the place. You see how it was dying out here. New shoots, trying to bloom, dying here. New shoots here. So I don't think I'm gonna have any pumpkins, any top ground sweet potatoes. They were a pumpkin type thing this year. But let me show you the other, what I found on this end. This one was going really great, and it's got blooms and doing good, but it's starting to die. The one that was down there, I pulled it up because the whole thing was dying, and I laid it right here. Look at this. Root nematodes. That's what killed it. And look at the bark. Something had been eating at it from the root nematodes and everything, eating at it, just killed it. I mean, big time. Look at this. Anybody that wants to know what root nematodes are, this is what they look like. When you pull a plant up and it has this weirdness all over it, all over the roots, that's what's killing your plant. So, even though my top ground sweet potatoes went all over the place and I do have blooms, I don't think I will have any this year. We'll try again next year, and if I do, I'll have seeds, but right now it's looking like a bust on the top ground sweet potatoes. You get to see what root nematodes look like, and I've been pulling weeds. Isn't that awesome? I just got to go here and finish this one, and we're putting row cover down like we did here at the peas, and try and keep this clean for the upcoming year. And we've put our blackberries here. We're gonna put row cover on both sides. The blackberries will go through here, and we've got a few more to move, and then we will plant only a small section here. So guys, that's a little bit about top ground sweet potatoes. Problems I've had this year: I planted them late, and could have had some, but it's really late. So it's a bust on the top ground sweet potatoes.